yummy. To make the spice, you would need cinnamon sticks, black peppercorn, fennel seeds, star of anise, and then cloves. With this cloves, I have already blended it, but you can use the whole cloves. I mean the one that is not blended. Basically, these are the ingredients or the spices that you would need, but I always love to add in nutmeg. So I'll create some nutmeg and then add it to it, and we'll continue with the preparation. However, this nutmeg is totally optional. I just love it to be in. The nutmeg, and it's about half tablespoon of it. I add it to the cloves, and then I proceed to the next step, which is in a frying pan. I add all these spices to it, transfer it to the fire, and then let it be on fire for at least 30 seconds just to bring out some oil from it, and then the scent, the aroma of all this. And trust me, the aroma of it feels like Christmas already. I'll keep stirring it to prevent it from burning, because you know when you burn anything, the flavor and the taste of it is totally different. So I keep stirring it for the 30 seconds and then take it out from the fire, set it aside for it to cool down completely. It's been some few minutes and it's completely cooled down. In a blender, I add all these ingredients and blend it very well. Yummy cat. Wow, the aroma feels so good. Now, I always love to sieve mine after blending it. So this is the leftover. I'll put it inside the blender again and blend it for some few seconds and sieve it again. So with the leftover, I reuse it again, and in a container or in a bottle, I add all the spices blended in it and keep it in a cool, safe place for my steaming of meat, you know, a lot. Thank you, yummy. I'll see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.